Wondering what you can get for under $600,000 in Ocean View? Well, today I am here to show you. Come on, let's go. Pretty crappy day that we are having, but here is this condo in West Ocean View. This is when you pull up. It does have very large driveway space. You can see that it has multiple decks. And this is the entrance right here. You also have a 2-car garage. So heading on inside. Super cute, loving the teal. When you walk on inside, you have this little entryway. Stairs are right there. You have a room right here that they have as an office slash a little guest room with a closet right here. It does have tile, carpet. Heading over this way, has an elevator. Have a nice closet right here and a closet for your hot water heater. So that's nice that it's easy to access. Have a little drop-off zone right here. Over this way, another bedroom right on this first level, which is super nice, especially for an in-law suite, so they don't have to go up too many stairs. You have a deck right here. Weather is not cooperating today. You can see how spacious this room is. Nice size closet that you can walk into. You have a full bathroom right here with 2 sinks and your toilet and shower. Over this way, we have your washer dryer with access outside and access to the garage. So has multiple steps up. We are in Ocean View, so being high up is nice. And look at this nice storage area. You have your 2-car garage right here. Heading back in. I do not have my shoes on, so I can't go all the way out right now, but I'll peek out here so you can see. So dual zoned, so you have your 2 units and then a little side yard area. Looks like they have a built-in fire pit as well as an outdoor shower. Heading back in. All right, so let's make our way upstairs. So there was already a lot to unpack down here. You have 2 rooms, a full bathroom, your elevator, and laundry room, all down here. Now heading on upstairs. It does have hardwood floors, which is always nice. Into your main living area. So you have your living room, fireplace, television. Here is a front room right here. So nice den area with a deck off of it. right here. So this has a lot of natural light coming in. One second, heading on out of the office, back into the living room space, and it flows into your dining room area, into the kitchen, so you have some bar stools, a little coffee bar area, pantry, gas range, refrigerator, dishwasher, and sink. You can look right in. And over this way, you have half bath right here. Another access to the elevator, and heading on upstairs. So you have these hardwood floors throughout. Has a top deck right here. You can see some views of the Chesapeake Bay. Here's down the stairs. Elevator. So the elevator does go to all levels. Here is full bathroom. Right here. Have your primary bedroom that has access to that deck as well. So they have little chairs so they can look out to the bay. Into the bathroom, so you have double sink, you have tub, toilet, shower, and your closet. So nice big primary closet. Does have scuttle attic, so you push up and over to get into those. And that is everything. So bedroom, just kidding, it's not everything. You got another bedroom up here and closet. So 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms up here with a deck. Down on this main level, you have living, dining, kitchen, a half bath, and this front room. So you can really use this front room however you wish. Could be playroom, office, another bedroom if needed, and then down here you have 2 bedrooms, a full bath, as well as your laundry and garage. That is everything. I'm gonna put my shoes on and take you back outside. That is everything. If you are looking to take a private tour, let me know, and let's continue to build our unreal lives. Talk to you soon. Bye.